everyone! It's time for a Sci with Kira update. My name is Kira Silverman. I'm the creative content developer here at Science from Scientists. Today, we're going to take a behind-the-scenes look at a demonstration of our new distance learning initiative. Normally, our programs operate during the school day. Our scientists come into the classroom, we meet with classes of students from 3rd to 8th grade throughout the day, and we bring all of our supplies and materials with us. But as a lot of you know, there has been a global pandemic which has changed a lot of things for schools this year. So all summer, our scientists have been working really hard to convert our lessons from an in-person to a distanced virtual format. This year, our instructors are going to be teaching our lessons in 3 different ways, either live synchronously with students at home, so zooming into students' homes. We can zoom into a classroom full of students, or depending on school's requirements, we're going to be going into schools with masks, socially distanced. So we've adapted our program that way we can make sure that we are safe, our students are safe, and everybody still has access to really fun hands-on STEM activities. Another big part of our lessons is that we supply all of the supplies and materials for students to do these experiments. What are we doing to make sure that our students aren't sharing materials, you might ask? Great question! We've also been building individual prepackaged lesson activity kits. So every student that's participating in our lessons this year will receive one of these kits for their lesson, which includes a whole bunch of materials that they're going to be using for their activity, depending on which lesson they're participating in. We're going to be doing an engineering lesson for simple machines. You can see that I've got my paper clip right here. This is a seal that has not been broken yet. This is airtight. There are no germs inside. We are going to sit in on a demo of our distanced lesson, but first, let's unbox this guy and see what's inside. Look at that. It's like the size of my lunch. You can see we have a safety warning here at the bottom. Only for use under adult supervision by Science from Scientists. That's us. I'm gonna take off my paper clip, break my safety seal here. Wow, let's see what's in this kit. Toilet paper tube. We got a piece of cardboard right there. 3 tongue depressors. Ooh, okay. A paper cup with the bottom cut out. So a funnel. A piece of string. There was definitely something in here that was rolling around and making a lot of noise. I'm curious as to what that is. I got a little plastic cup with what looks like a spindle with some tape and a marble. That's what was rolling around. You silly marble, you. And we have some paper clips. Most importantly, our little instructional worksheet. Wow, I'm so excited. Is that? Are you? Are you guys? We're doing it. Wow, look at Sarah Francis go. Did you know that a scientist invented the Super Soaker?
You don't need to open it yet. I just want to make sure everybody has this kit bag which has all of the items in it that you can see up. So thumbs up if you feel good about the items in your kit. I want your design to include at least 3 different simple machines.
Oh boy, I have lots of stuff. 5 minutes into building my design, and everything's just on the floor. Engineering is difficult.
Can you tell us about it as you're showing us how it works?
I have a lever system, along with, I think, another inclined plane. And I also have a pulley system. This is a very sophisticated piece of instrumentation, so I have to be very cautious.
I had so much fun during this sneak peek of our distance learning initiative, and I hope you did too. To learn more about Science from Scientists, visit us at www.sciencefromscientists.org and join our social community by liking or following @SciScientists on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. See you next week, and stay molecool.